Happy Friday, everybody. Hope everybody stays safe today. It rained yesterday. There's my sky today. Hear my deer sneezing? What was in that rain? It has all my little deer just a sneezing. Poor little deer. Hear him? That's them sneezing. All of them are sneezing. I have to go get a can of fruit, a couple cans of fruit, put it out there, bump them up with some vitamin C. We don't know. We don't know. Hey, Miss Piggy. We don't know what was in that rain, do we? Didn't rain for almost 2 months, and then we rained for about 7 or 8 inches. And now y'all sneezing. It's gonna make it easier on the hunters. Yes. Windy, windy. I don't see those nasty lines in the sky. Thank you, God Most High. There's our big white light. I bumped up this morning. Thank you, God, for another beautiful day on your little blue earth. I ask that all of mine's prayers be answered. Darn it. The little deers are sick. All right, let me go see what I can do for them. Got some elderberry gummies. Come out here and throw them one at a time. Gotta do something. Love y'all. Bye.